Once there lived a 10-year-old boy named Bharat in the bustling city of Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh. This was Arab's hometown. Bharat had twinkling eyes behind his round glasses, and he always wore his school uniform neatly ironed. Bharat was smart and always quick to answer the teacher's questions. He had a sharp memory and many achievements. Bharat would think to himself, "Why do I need friends? I can do everything on my own." One day, while Bharat was in school, the school principal, Mrs. Sharma, announced a big competition. She said everyone must be part of a team to compete in this activity. The winning team will get a trophy and a surprise gift. All the students buzzed with excitement. Everyone started planning and forming groups. Bharat thought everyone would come running to him to be in his team as he was so smart, so he waited. A few days passed. His friends already formed their groups, but nobody invited him to join. Bharat panicked and asked, "Can I join your team?" "Sorry, Bharat, our team is full." Finally, he went to his old friends and asked, "Can I join your team?" "No, Bharat, you never wanted to be our friend. So we already have our team ready." Bharat was sitting alone and he was very sad. Mrs. Sharma, the principal who was passing by, saw Bharat sad and asked what happened. Bharat said sadly, "No one wants me on their team." Mrs. Sharma said, "Don't worry, Bharat, I will help you." She took Bharat to a group of students who weren't part of any team, just like Bharat. She made them into a team of 4. There was Sameer, who loved drawing. Neha was great at solving puzzles. Raju, who could run like the wind, was a part of their team. When the competition started, with Sameer's drawing skills, they won the drawing competition. Neha's skills helped them win the puzzle competition. Thanks to Raju's incredible speed, their team managed to win the relay race with ease. And finally, with Bharat's math solving skills, he helped his team win. Mrs. Sharma then announced Bharat's team as the winner. Bharat was overjoyed. Mrs. Sharma handed them the trophy and the surprise gift, which was a box of chocolate. She told the team to share the chocolates with each other. Bharat was very happy. As Bharat held the trophy, he realized something important. He had been wrong to think that being the most intelligent meant that he did not need any friends. Everyone has their own unique talents, and Bharat realized that working together as a team was the key to winning. Bharat gathered his team along with other friends and said, "I'm sorry for thinking that I did not need anyone. I was wrong. Working together, sharing our unique talents and knowledge is the best way to succeed."